वेलकम बैक टू गो टू कॉर्टेक्स। आज हम करने वाले हैं क्लाउड डीएनएस ट्रैफिक स्टीयरिंग यूजिंग जियो लोकेशन पॉलिसी। सो फर्स्ट क्लिक स्टार्ट लैब। नेक्स्ट हम इसे इनकॉग्निटो विंडो में ओपन करेंगे। क्लिक आई अंडरस्टैंड। नेक्स्ट क्लिक agree and continue and close the tutorial. Now come back to the lab, on to the task 1. So first we have to run some commands to enable the APIs. For that we have to activate the cloud shell using this icon. Continue and then click authorize. After that, we will be seeing this Cloud Shell terminal. Come back to the lab, copy this API, paste it here, hit enter, copy this, enter here. We are basically enabling some APIs here. So after these tools are complete, we will verify that the APIs are enabled using this command. And yes, they are enabled. Now on to the task 2, we have to configure the firewall. So copy this, paste it here, run it. We are creating a firewall rule. And after it is completed, come back here, then run the next command to allow the HTTP traffic. And after it is completed, come back here and click check my progress. After it is completed, onto the task 3, we have to launch client VMs. So first we will run this command. It creates a VM instance in the given zone. For my lab, it is Europe West 1B. For your lab, it could be something different or the same. Now after this instance is running, come back here and then run this one. This is completed. We'll come back here and then we will run this command, create a third VM instance in different zone. And after this is completed, we will come back here, click check my progress. And after it is completed, we will be launching server VMs in the task 4. So first we will run this command. After it is completed, we will come back to the lab and run the next command. Next, we will come back here and click check my progress. And after this is completed, we have to set up the environment variables using the given commands. So come back here, copy this, hit enter, then next, run the second command. Then next, on the task 6, we have to create a private zone. So copy this, run it here, and just create it. Next, on the task 7, we have to create a cloud DNS routing policy using this command. So run it, it's done. Now we will verify the zone using this command. It is not really necessary. Just click check my progress, and it is completed. Now we have task 8 here, then task 9. However, you don't need to do it as the lab is already completed here. So congratulations, the lab is complete. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Now you can just simply end this lab.